with a lot of excitement only to quit after a few weeks? If yes, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Samriddhi, and in today's video we are going to talk about why so many people fail at learning coding and most importantly how you can avoid them. So let's get started. Number 1, many beginners think that they'll become expert in coding in just a few weeks. But coding is a skill that comes with time and practice. So if you expect instant results from it, you will just get frustrated and give up. Instead, try giving time to it and trust the learning process. Number 2, watching tutorials may feel productive, but coding is a skill that happens only by doing it. So, after learning every new concept, open your code editor, write the code yourself and make mistakes, and that is where the real process starts. Number 3, the moment beginners see errors, they panic. But errors are normal. Every programmer, even the experienced one, deals with bugs every day. So, whenever you see the error, try to understand them and fix them. Number 4, it is easy to feel behind when someone is building amazing projects. Everyone has a different starting point and learns at a different pace. So don't compare yourself with others' journey, just compare yourself with your yesterday's version. Number 5. Many beginners directly jump to advanced topics or big projects and skips the basics. Strong foundation will make your journey much more easier, so don't rush through the basics. If you're learning coding right now, so remember these mistakes and try to avoid them. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more Java beginner friendly content. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep growing.